cup is full, but do you need overflowed water?
And whom are you going to do this to? James?
I'm not talking to paparazzi, please. Just pay for my image. I hope you would pay this.
Moving on into the other markets that we want to expand. The strategy.
Oh my god, that's okay.
I had already uploaded this, but it turns out that the voice is overlapping, so I had to delete it all over again and download it. Now I'm late for the meetup. It's raining. Okay, so talking about the week, this week we were working on a project called Shazam, and it was a complete chaos. So people from many departments had to come together and work together on one single project. So this project takes for 2 weeks, and we just completed first week. Everybody wants to show up that I'm the best, or maybe I don't know. So yes, we completed that, and it was a good success. So the company was happy with the progress. Now the next week we're gonna work on the execution part. This week we worked on research and a lot of other strategy stuff, but the next week we are actually going to write down all the execution, like how we want to execute, what could be the better choice, and all of these stuffs. So other than that, I have some good news to share. So it's still in progress. So probably in my next vlog I am going to share that with you guys. So any guesses? Let's see who gets it right. Comment below. My god, I tell you, these streets are so confusing, especially when I'm alone. If Rahul is with me, I usually don't get lost, but since I'm going alone to meet friends, oopsie. So this week I also finalized my thesis topic, which I'm going to spend a lot of time doing. So yeah, a lot of work got done this week and I'm super happy. That's why I thought, why not celebrate? So some of us friends together are going to meet at one place here. So this thesis topic that I'm gonna work on is a mix of doing research and something which I can apply on my YouTube channel's performance as well. Yeah, so I'm going to apply this learning from this thesis on my YouTube channel as well, because I really want to grow my YouTube now. And looking at all the love and support that you guys are giving me, honestly I'm so overwhelmed. Keep supporting, please do share. this content with those who you think is gonna be useful. So yeah, I'm happy. Looks like a scene from Conjuring. What do you think? Hey! Hi. Look who's here. Mary! That's the one.
Okay. Are you alone?
No. Yeah.
Alors, une clémentine, une blonde à la châtaigne et une pomelo.
Okay, d'accord.
Merci. We gonna fix it.
C'est grand.
Or do we
C'est quoi? Putain, attends. Ok, essaye de toi.
From the trees.
Are you from Algiers or
Stolen from the trees rather than cultivated.
Pomelo.
I think maybe we can take mushroom this if you want. Okay. Then we have caviar de tomate.
Our guide in France.
No, mais-
Everywhere, anytime.
Margot is just here to make fun of me, but she didn't. She already forget everything she told him. Okay.
How do you make it?
Okay, we can
tomatoes?
And jam. How do you eat it? Can you say this was?
Pepper.
paper with garlic.
Pepper, just pepper.
Pepper and garlic.
Pepper and garlic. But why is it orange? Carrot.
Because when you mix yellow.
Ouais, mais facile la bière là.
How is it?
I will just eat this.
Bachelor's or your master's?
Okay, well, take this one. There is empty.
I need description. I need the rank.
This is
Put a grade. Out of 10.
8.
Okay. Explain.
It's good. I like the garlicky taste of this.
So you smell really hard the garlic or not?
I think it is made of radish.
What?
Radish. No?
Radish?
Radish, white color. Looks like carrot, but it's white.
Okay, yeah.
Is it bad?
No. Garlic.
It sounds garlic. I like it. I would just eat this.
Okay. Tapenade. I don't know which is it, but it's garlic for sure.
No, that's mushroom.
Mushroom, sorry. Mushroom.
And that's with the math.
I don't remember.
What was this? Hummus. That's hummus.
Ah, quoi?
Hummus. Sa hummus.
Ah, hummus.
Hummus, sorry.
Okay.
This is like
Rahul loves pate.
it's a mix and match of everything.
Eat it. Woohoo! Again.
Look like this, Raja.
So the thing is that when we sant it, we have to look in people's eyes. Otherwise,
Bad sex for 7
bad sex life for 7 years. So
When you don't have to cross. You cannot.
he's explaining us how to drink a
so it
wine.
can be larger and it can stay a little much higher on the glass. So it can mean that it has more flavor in these parts. So you can see.
Yeah, that's
It's
what I was
difficult to
checking.
see, but as you turn it a little bit, you can stay on the edge or no, so you have to look at this after you smell it. So what you can do is smell it.
There's a difference between a wine connoisseur and alcoholic.
Yes, but I was an alcoholic and now I try to justify myself. So I have to learn this. But I never do like this.
Make it a learning experience.
So basically, we look at the color, we smell it, take it in first before drinking.
The notes and everything.
I get weird dreams.
Don't eat it.
She's also intolerant.
This is waffle orange, waffle chocolate. Yay!
Too much sugar, then
Yeah.
I'm
Do you
done.
take it at home with the machine?
No, I have to do it
In the clinic?
in the clinic. How does it?
Yellow, 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 yellow. I have to buy him new
No.
jacket, I think. But he actually has so many. But get him there. That's it. Yeah, somewhere where we can see.
Sini dek.
It's too fast.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Do the last one.
Broke the tree.
Ayo, mana yang sini dek?
Oh no!
Because it's big. It's big.
Okay.
Hi guys! We spent a beautiful night together.
You wanna sing?
No, no, no.
Do the toxic. Do the
When
toxic.
the days that you miss, I'm on my way.
Looks like Britney Spears is feeling cold now.
I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic?
Dun, 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 dun. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಗಡ್ಬಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಚ್ಬೋದು ನಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್
ಹಚ್ಬಿಡ
50.
The total bill was
Total bill
was
is 166.
166 and
Per
both of us together we paid around 50 euros. So it is expensive, but it's okay. Once in a while, you know, it's not about the money or what you ate, it's about the company. What do you think? How often do you guys hang out with your friends? And is it important? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that was it. Now we are heading towards our home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'm planning to make one vlog every week just to give you an update about what's going on in my life and what's happening around. Is that interesting to you guys? Let's see. Like, share, and support me with a lot of love. And until then, see you. Bye.
Bye.